Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back.
The channel.
Today is
Friday.
no
Sunday.
Sunday. Correct. Today is Sunday and it's currently 11:30. Can see you, Daddy. 11:30 in the morning, and what are we doing today?
Where are we going, honey?
Dreamworld.
Dreamworld.
Aren't you excited?
Yes.
Say it excitedly.
I signed away.
Say Dreamworld.
Dreamworld.
So, punta kami ng Dreamworld today. We are going to celebrate CELINE'S birthday. Kasi nga, diba, 2 weekends ago, it was Celine's birthday. Kaya nga lang, hindi kami nakalabas noon kasi Paris was not very well that day. She slept the whole day, so hindi kami nakalabas.
It's Celine's birthday again today.
Yes.
Yes.
Yay! I'm gonna celebrate.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why we're going to...
Dreamworld.
She's sleepy. She's very sleepy now, kaya I
That's
gotta
good.
make a move kasi
She'll be ready to sleep in the car the whole day,
makatulog na siya sa sa sasakyan.
which is what we want.
Yeah. So, are you ready, Lini? Okay, she will sleep in the car until we get there. Tapos, she'll be ready for the rides.
Look at her little Baba.
Today is not very sunny.
Nah, we've had our first, more
Gloomy.
gloomy-ish day today.
Yeah. Yesterday was perfect. But, yeah.
Perfection.
Today, medyo, siya, maambon siya. Yeah. We
We
will go na. No, where's your jacket? Daddy put it there already. Show Tita and Tito your outfit, babe.
Stand
Here,
up.
stand up. Show them your outfit. Oh, you're welcome. Ay.
Oh, you're so tall, Paris.
Wow, very tall. Have a look at that.
Hey, look how tall you are.
Ooh.
Can I see how tall you are?
You're taller than Daddy.
Oh,
Goodness, taller than Celine.
God.
You're the tallest of them all.
Look what happens when you carry Celine. He don't have to hit.
At ito yung pa-outfit ng ating
Yeah, you're taller.
baby Celine. Anak, careful, Nak, with this one, Nak. You're hurting her face.
It's alright.
Linya, tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha. Very sleepy na. Oh, have a look at her dress. Pink strawberries. And she's got the leggings. Dalhan ko din siya ng jacket.
Little poor about this.
Alright. Let's go, let's go.
Let's take her. Go.
Time check. It's now 12:30 ng hapon. At kakarating lang namin dito. Ay, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait to sleep also.
Hell no, it's okay. That is gonna take the pram out. Ang ating baby Celine ay tulog pa rin, guys. So we are going to transfer her to the pram.
I don't really want to go in that one.
No, that's too scary. It's too
Yeah.
high.
Only when I'm adult I can go in that.
Yes.
If I'm not scared. Oh, that's nice. Come.
Oh my God.
That's
And, tingnan nyo, medyo mahangin, guys.
Hi.
Oh, tingnan nyo, may mahangin-hangin.
I don't like that ride.
Yeah, you don't have to, my love. But it's too, oh my God, it's too high.
If I'm an adult and if I'm not scared when I'm a kid and I'm bigger, and I'm not scared for that and I'm bigger and scared, not scared.
Yeah, when we come back next time. What's your sunnies? Oh,
Bye, I forgot.
yeah.
Bye.
May pasanis pa yan siya nalalaman. Oh, shut it. Ay, so pretty.
I want to get it now.
Want to go? Okay. Daddy, take the, careful, ate. So, alam nyo, nandito kami kasi nung birthday ni Ate Paris,
I'm cold actually.
yeah, we got the jacket in the
Okay, can you buy me a wand?
wand. Okay, we'll have a look.
They have Easter wands and Easter crowns.
Mm-hmm.
They have that toys you can get.
We can go have a look, okay? So, help Daddy go.
Can I just get one?
Just one.
Remember I got two?
Yes. So, nandito kami, guys, kasi nga, di ba, last birthday ni Ate Paris, bumili si Daddy Mike ng yearly pass. So, yung pagpunta namin dito ay free, kasi nga, di ba, yearly, hindi pa nag 1 year nung pupunta kami dito. So, every time na punta kami dito, it's free yung entrance. Yeah. Huh? That was a long time. And then, obviously, babayaran mo lang yung pagkain kung gusto mong kumain doon sa loob. Pero yung entrance, it didn't take long enough. It was, in total, 46 minutes. So, ito yung pa-outfit ni mami niyo. Thank you, anak. So, ito yung tinatawag nila, guys, na giniginaw yung suso, pero nainitan yung buday. Ganun. Kasi, ayan, oh. You like it? Show your outfit here with Mama.
Mama, I showed it.
Did ya?
Yeah, no, that was very.
Oh, go have a look at Celine. And the pram. Tingnan mo. Oh, tulog na tulog ba? Wala, tulog na tulog talaga ang ating birthday girl. Oh my God. Siguro matutulog po ito siya kapag pinaspray ko sa ano. Pram. I will anak once the pram is out. I'll get you a jacket na. May dala kaming baon, oh. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ano kami? Ang tawag ito, Girl Scout. Pumunta kami ng Filipino grocery yesterday. So, meron tayong hand sale. I'll get Paris' jacket. Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Okay.
Now can my
Yan, oh, diba? Bungga. May pinaiiwan ang kanyang heart. Lanak, madam na madam kay katingnan nak.
This is my parents' side there.
Nak, can you do a pose for Mama? A model pose? Wow. Wow. I love your outfit. I love your outfit. Be turn around, be. Here, be. Here. Turn around. Wow. Okay, pose. Pose. Iba rin ang aking anak ko eh. Ayan. Ay, shush. Tulog na tulog pa ang baby girl. Yes, okay? Yeah. Are you? Just get back in the car, Cow. Daddy went to do a wee-wee first. Go.
What to say?
Daddy went to have a wee-wee first. You want to go inside the car first? We'll wait for Daddy.
That's how I do it.
Daddy's doing a wee-wee. Go in the car first, go. If you're still cold. Tingnan nyo, kapal-kapal na nga ng jacket na yan, oh. The sun is starting to peek out naman. Pero medyo maginaw yung hangin.
Word.
Fuck off.
Shoot away. I can shoot her. Looks there before trying to. Shoot!
Is that my wiener wiener?
There's my
Weenie!
happy birthday to you. Oh, give me the gummy gusto. Happy birthday, Ling. Hello, everyone. Ay, gosh. Alright guys, pupunta na kami. You ready? Ready, Lini? Ay, shush, take that off. No, be like crying. Ay. Si Paris, you ready?
Yeah.
Kumakain na ng Hansel. Do you like it? That's Filipino biscuit, you know?
Yeah, I saw that one last night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
You like it? Ay, shush.
I'm trying to get this one.
It was cutie man among birthday girl, oy. The whole August, birthday ni baby Celine. Isn't that right, honey girl? All month. Whole month. You want? Daddy, so it's really a good value, yeah? Getting a yearly pass.
Yeah, it's like only like $20 or $30 each more.
Yeah. Especially, you know, having kids. You know, Paris always enjoys coming here. Is the entrance now?
Do you like Lego World?
Of course.
You can also make any stuff.
Go around there, but we'll take a photo of Paris in front of the entrance. I know, we'll meet Daddy there anyways. Excited na excited sa lola niyo.
Wow! Over here!
Miss Lainey. Parang sa Ate Paris na rin na birthday. Up to the first stop. We're getting compliments on Ate Paris' outfit. Cute yun lang talaga. Tignan nyo. Oh. Little Missy. Do you think she's gonna break it up?
Huh?
She will. Go. You want this? I think Ate Paris is excited. Sabi ni Daddy niya, remember whose birthday it is?
Start to get frustrated.
Yeah, I said off a few photos.
Oh, she wants it. You have to give her
He
something.
was jealous.
Uy, sobrang cute. Oh. Have a look at this Paris hairbrush. P. Handbag. Oh, I wonder where she got it from.
The handbag.
Who wants the handbag? I think this one is cute. Babe, hold. Show me. Show me. Oh.
I like this one.
Oh, I like that one. Oh my goodness.
Well, which one should we get? Which one?
You have to ask your daddy.
Mommy, give me. I want to show the daddy which one I want.
Okay.
Daddy, which one do you think?
What do I think? I think that one, the sparkly one. This one.
Alright. I pick this one back.
Uy,
Daddy
uy.
wants
Attitude ba kayo? Please or what?
You think Daddy wants it?
Which one?
Are you special?
Just.
Like a real unicorn.
Here you go. Later. Lily's got. What have you got there, Lily? Lynn, what have you got? A toothbrush. A unicorn toothbrush. Okay, let's go. Where next? We bought that one
Do you want to
too.
get food or not?
Yeah. Hanap muna ako na makakain guys. Gutom ako. Anak?
Here goes some rice first.
Mama will just grab food. I don't need to sit down. Just take away. See here. There's churros somewhere there. I think the food is that way. Come nak. Come this way first nak. Hala nak. Tara nak. Woo! Ito na lang mabasi. Mr. Sun. Sabi nung lalaki dun sa entrance ba, nakita niya si Paris. What an outfit. Huh?
Open. No, give me my iPad.
I'll be so great. May mga nagbago na since pumunta kami dito last time, guys. Wala ito dito. Tapos yung entrance doon. Marami silang ginawa. Ayan, yung maliit. I think Celine can go in that one. Daddy, do you think Celine can? Yeah, I think she can, Babsy.
You can take Celine on this one.
Yeah, I'll take Celine.
And I'll take Paris on to another one.
Oh, we can't leave the pram. We have
Yes,
to
you
wait
can.
for us. Huh?
Yes, you can.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm not going to take it for granted.
And then we go to first.
Ay, gosh! Lahi na sa iyo.
Yeah.
Yes, we're
Waiting for our turn. Lenny, are you excited?
Coming off now.
Oh, it's coming off. Oopsie, it's not very strong, is it? It's not very good, is it?
Just for, I'll give this to Daddy really quick.
Okay, go.
And I'll come back.
Alright, are we going? Are we going? Are we going? I love you, anak. Lenny, we're on top.
Mommy, need a seatbelt.
It's all good na. It's optional. No, this one, oh. Hindi daw kasi pwede sa lap. Kailangan ibaba. Ate, sit down please, ate.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's alright, my love. You have to follow the rules, okay? Lini? So, hindi makapag-relax, oh. You like it, eh?
Yeah. You like it too?
Of course.
I'm gonna stay here for 4 hours.
Yes.
I mean, you can go
Daddy,
down.
Daddy. And yung daddy kasi doon guys sa video.
Wow.
Lini! We're here to see the tiger.
Have a look right up there.
Doon na sila, oh.
I promise you. I can't come, but I can't get you. Go. Cool.
You can do it, ate. Get Celine to look, Daddy.
Mommy, I think that's what I do.
Look at her. She's like,
Huh?
I'm
Baby.
starting. It's coming down.
come on, she's ready now. Paris.
Oh, look, Celine.
Like the
Oh, look. Alala, Daddy. Daddy. Celine.
Have a look.
Celine is first.
Andre, Carlo.
Sina?
Look at Paris.
Beautiful. Wow. Paris. What do you think, Lini? I'm Lini staring at you. There's another tiger here.
Would you like tiger?
Sabi ni Daddy Mike, merong girl lalo doon ba? Na nakaano. Tingnan niyo kung kita ha. Oh, tingnan niyo. Sabi ni Daddy Mike po. Daddy Mike, puwit.
That might be the tiger.
Yeah, that's for sure.
How did the tiger came in this road? 'Cause see,
I'm not sure.
See, these footprints are the tigers.
Yeah, maybe he jumped over the fence.
But how did he get back?
He jumped again.
What was the other one? I think I found the other one there.
Where?
The other one like with that one with another tiger, and I think that one came and went. Look, see the
Yeah.
footprints are there.
There's only one. Hello. Ay, there's two of them. Oh, there's two of them. Hello.
In the bottom.
Gee, she's very loud. Dalawa pala sila doon.
Should we go on the stairs so we can see better?
Yeah, we can do that.
Huh.
Yeah, you can go there. I can't because I'm too big.
No, it's alright. Look,
Daddy Mike's there. Oh, Celine. Go.
you can go from there.
I'm alright here. I'm okay. I can see. Can you see better now? No. Ow. Can you see better?
I thought the other one was lost here.
No,
And
they're both
I don't
there.
like it. And I don't know and why did he went there.
Not sure, my love.
And people didn't saw him.
Maybe he did it during the night when everyone's sleeping.
Or just do it in the morning.
Oh, let's go, Celine. Lynn! Hi! Did you see the tiger? Did you? Did you see the tiger? What's the face?
Big tiger.
How many tigers in there?
Dada!
How many? Two. Can you say two? Two tigers, mommy. Say two tigers, mommy. Like this. Two. Bigil ni mama. Can you see? Hello. That was very loud. What's the sound? It's a tiger. Yo, tita and tito, see, I can see two tigers. See? Celine is wondering. Do you like it? Ay, Diyos! Look. Hangad. Look. The queue. We might have to go for a walk, buddy. I think that's the queue. Enjoy Paris! I'll take this one for a walkie. We'll go have a look here, nak. I think pula to siya dito last time. Ate! It's her turn na. First, she's telling niya. Are you excited? Yes? Ooh, Dini! Don't drop it. Mom. Sit straight. Lini girl. Ow. Oh, she's in. Focus. Si Ate Paris na? And Daddy? Daddy! Go. Say hi, Lily. One day, Nak. You will ride that one too. Nearly. Well done, buddy. Oh.
Give it another go.
Ma? Can I do it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, mommy.
Okay, you daddy. Video. Video.
Hold it. You and mommy. Go, Paris. Throw it. Yo, Millie. Go, Paris. Oh! Yeah, mate. Hold on, get 3 more bucks. Paris, sit down. Come on.
Are you tired, Nana?
No, I'm just want to sit down.
Yeah, that's why you're sitting down, because you're tired. Just accept it. We'll get something to eat.
I'm gonna go in the last time, mate.
Huh? Yeah, that's very nice.
Huh?
Oh, what's in there?
I know, we're going there now. After.
Oh, water.
Just going there after.
Yeah. Madagascar madness. Come there. Fries aplenty. Which one, Bob? Daddy? Yeah? This one? Fries aplenty. We'll go that way na. Come.
This is nice. Bye. This is fun.
Oh no.
I found
We'll go in there. Nako, Kenny's fried chicken. Good job.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ah, you can actually go in there too, Bob. See this?
Yeah, you going here or there?
Let me go have a look inside. Come, te. Ate. Cute. Oh, they're here. Ate. Yan. After namin kumain, guys, pumunta kami dito. Diyan kami kumain. Tapos, ito yung Madagascar. Oh. Lalalala. Muna magkiti-kiti. It's so cute. Gusto niyang pumasok doon, oh. So, maraming bola. Okay, go. There's this other ride. Lini, do you wanna go in there, Lin? Te. Gusto niya pumasok din, guys. Maraming bola. You wanna go in? Let's see where's the entrance. There's Shrek there, nako. There's this ride. The Paris and Daddy Mike. They're waiting. Dun sa kabila, oh. Lee? Do you wanna go on a ride? Hmm? She's sleeping na rin siya, guys. It's now 3 something. Yeah. What can you see? What can you see? Look at it. Oh, look at that. Wow! That's crazy. Oh no, I think he's too small for it. No?
Yeah, because I have to be the tallest.
Oh.
It's gotta be 110.
110. Just
Paris
see.
is about 105.
Okay. Alright, next time we have to eat more.
She said there's another ride over there.
Okay.
I want to go to the fishing first.
Okay.
And we can go there.
Yeah, we should go to the thing, Bob. Oh, it's just. Oh, yeah, that's the one I was talking about then.
Yeah.
Yeah, she can go in that one. I think we can go together.
Okay.
This one. I would.
3 fish, $10. Catch a fish.
You have to get free fishes and you win.
Really?
And you win a coin.
Okay. Catch a fish. Oh gosh! Very windy. Yeah. What was that rule?
So, grab 3 fish and then they add up to a prize.
Daddy,
Yeah, you need to get the fish.
can
Oh my god.
we only get the fish, not that
$10 guys.
Any
Little
fish.
Maybe there's numbers or something.
Yeah, there is. Pick a good one, Paris.
Yay! Dory! Well done! Whoa! Yeah, there's numbers. One more!
That's not coming out.
You can do it!
I can't hold it.
Yeah.
Please! Paris!
One more. Get a shark.
Oh, na-excited na siya. Hindi nakalimutan ang please, oy.
Hold it.
Yay! Good job!
There you go.
I won.
Oh, give it to Tito. Give it to Tito. Oh, look na. Ling. Oh, look, Ling. Up! Up there! Wow!
So right.
I won.
Oh, look na. Oh, do you want to go on that one? Huh? What did you get now? Wow, good job. It's really good
That ride
fishing.
you're talking about.
Yeah,
Come on. Let's go get a ride.
really good fishing. Beware of ogre.
Not that one.
That one.
The Ferris wheel.
That one. What Ferris wheel?
That.
Yeah, that one.
That's the first one. We'll try that.
But I don't think they're doing it. Ate, pull your pants up, te. This one's nice. Eh? Pwede yung height ni Ate Paris dito. Tapos yung isa doon, oh, pwede din yun. I think I can bring Celine there too. Are they closing the bab? We'll just go on this one then. Oh, we should have come there earlier. Tingnan niyo, oh. Namumo na sad. It fell down again. It always happens. Every time na mauuwi na kami.
Huh?
Namumo.
I'm just gonna go to the toilet.
Where are you going? Huh?
I'm gonna go there.
Okay, I'm gonna take Celine and change. The toilet's just there on the side.
Never heard something there.
Huh?
No, I'll be there.
Last stop before we go home.
Ice fish shop.
Where are you going?
Ice fish shop. This is the front.
Dreamworld Ice Cream Parlor. Huh?
You almost stepped in the bed.
Oh, I didn't see it. Have a look at the train. Cute. So cute. Stand up there, Nakbe. There. Show me, Paris. Yay! Alright, let's go. This way. Oh, this way na. Buddy's here na. Cute ng kanilang shop, oh. Pink na pink. Salamin, salamin. Here. Where's the... Ah, there. Okay. We'll head home now, guys. It's getting late. Celine is going to sleep again.
A few moments later.
Time check. It is nearly 6 o'clock ng gabi. Kakauwi lang namin. Nakapasok lang tayo namin, guys. Nakatulog tong dalawa sa sasakyan. We had to wake them up. Kasi ngayon ay siniset na namin. Parang binibigyan na namin sila ng routine. Actually, si Baby Celine, may routine na to siya. Kapag, tawag dito? Kapag 8 o'clock ay nasa bed na talaga. Before, Ate Paris, late na yan siya pumupunta ng bed, guys. But, from last week, inano namin siya na kapag nasa bed na si Celine, dapat, dapat si Ate Paris ay nasa bed na rin. So, it actually works, guys. It works well for us. Kasi, na-notice namin na kapag itong dalawa ay nasa bed na, then, Daddy Mike and I have more time to talk about things. Tapos, kapag linis kami, kapag tulog na itong dalawa, si Daddy Mike nagmamap ng floor, ako nagtutupi ng mga damit, yung mga ganun, yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi nagagawa during the day. So, it's really, really good. Is it? Paris, anak, tell me what you think about Dreamworld today.
I'm getting a lot of toys.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Happy?
Birthday Celine.
Are you happy? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good, sweetie girl.
Happy day, Celine.
Happy days, happy days, Celine. Palangga ng kainin ni mama. Ay, palangga ng kainin ni mama. Ay,